Good morning, guys. So we are working on the front suspension again. We are installing the Ridetech, as you've already seen. A little bit of cutting, mostly just bolting everything up. So everything's designed for it, and then later we'll be building the driver's side spindle. So stay with me today. Hey Ash, what are you doing?
I'm assembling the coilover.
Sounds like fun. Well, here's a time lapse of it.
Alright, let's go.
Holy crap, look how pretty that looks. I am so jealous right now. I want it. I've seen some pretty things in my life, but coilovers on a C3 Corvette kind of takes the cake. Sorry, Debbie. Tell me, Ashton, why are we using this kit?
Because it's awesome.
Any other reason?
Because I want my car to be better than yours.
I mean, as of right now, my car still wins because it runs and drives. But I think by the time you're done, you might have won this. But if we go off budget, I think I've won.
You definitely got me there.
So, what do you think of the Ridetech instructions so far?
They're alright, as far as car instructions go.
Who's better, Willwood or Ridetech?
Yeah. Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
He has no answer. That's alright. Back to time lapse. So this is how far we've gotten today. We've got the lower control arm on. The upper is in its shock, or on the bolts, but the instructions are terrible. So we don't know where to go now. So they have a video we're gonna go watch, and then hopefully we'll figure it out. But we got the driver's side on as well. And we're gonna call that a day. I might assemble the thing, the spindle later. Sorry, spacing out. And yeah, you're gonna watch me do that. So if not, this will be the end of the video. So I lied, guys. We're gonna start working on the spindle of the willwood brakes. So hopefully you can hear me. I did end up buying a new microphone, a whole $30, buying one for GoPro 5. It's actually really expensive. So there's really a lot of options out there for Hero 2 and 3, but when it comes to 5, really nothing. So I have the other one over here behind me that you can't see for reference, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So it should be good. This is really going to be more of a time lapse instead of anything else, because I'm not a professional, so don't follow my advice. Yeah, so anyway, so here comes the time lapse. So there it is so far. The hat is connected to the rotor. They're torqued down to 155 inch-pounds or 12 foot-pounds. And the rear bearing and whatever it's called is in there. So anyway, we are ready to set to move forward. That was all the easy parts done. Now the miserable part. So stay with me. So this piece and this piece need to be exactly the same distance from this rotor, and looking at them, I don't think they are. So I'm gonna go and grab a pair of calipers or whatever they're called and check that, because that would be bad. We want it to be the same. So here it goes. Well, I dicked around with it for quite a while, and I've come to the conclusion there is one too many whatever washer in there, the washer, spacer, whatever. Anyway, so I need to take this apart again, which is terrible news, and I need to pull out one washer. Last time I did it, I think my Harbor Freight breaker bar actually broke because I smacked myself in the head and it hurt a lot, and I think I have a huge welt. So anyway, that's something to look forward to. So here goes. We'll see if that fixes this gap, because it is not even, unfortunately. And I checked the other one is like dead nuts, and for some reason, and this one isn't, so I don't know, but here goes. Alright, so this is the issue right now. This is the bolt I'm trying to get out so I can get that other washer out. I'm going to show you guys. This is with an impact gun. This is Harbor Freight's best impact gun you can get, which isn't saying a lot, but you know. Anyway, just trying to back it up. This is what I'm dealing with. An inch. I think I might just cut it off and get a new bolt. This is ridiculous. Anyway, see this giant welt on the side of my head? This is where this Harbor Freight, whatever it is, breaker bar, extendable breaker bar, just gave up and popped me in the head. So that's fun. I'm gonna call it a day. Pretty annoyed. I called Willwood and they said, oh, we haven't heard of that before. So that's why I'm going to keep this video on the internet. So if anything ever happens to that and they don't want to honor the warranty, I'm going to show them this video. So anyway, that's the end of today. Rather disappointing, but we got a lot of the work done. It's just not quite there yet. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me that you enjoyed this giant welt on my head at least. We got some good work done today, but tomorrow is a new day, and I'm just going to cut that thing off because I'm getting really annoyed. So anyway, catch you guys tomorrow.